How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super clean 1995 Chevrolet Silverado Shortbox. Super nice truck. It's all original paint. Never had any paint work done on it. Clean truck underneath. Tennessee. See all the grills, all the original grill, bumpers, everything in excellent condition. Couple small stone chips on the hood that have been touched up. Super straight, flat down the sides. Tell you, this truck was well taken care of, always garaged. They did the Belltech drop spindles in the front and shackle kit in the rear. Got a set of 22-inch US mag, new wheels, tires. It's the original applique on the tailgate there. It shows a little bit of age just from the sun. They did the LED tail lights. I tell you, this truck drives like brand new. It's really hard to find one this clean, this nice. I mean, everything under the hood looks like the day it come out of the showroom. Hood light, everything in this truck works. I mean, it's very well taken care of truck. Older gentleman owned it. Super nice. So nice and clean, the jams and everything are. They did the LED lighting in the interior also. Truck does show 148 on it. It's original mileage. But I tell you, it doesn't show it. I mean, there's no wear on the seats, there's no wear on the carpet. It's just a super nice truck. Did have a bed liner put in it. Under the liner, looks real good. Doesn't look like they ever hauled anything with it or anything like that. It's just a super nice truck. It's loaded with the power seats, air tilt, cruise, stereo. I mean, all the options that the Silverado would have had. I mean, there's no wear on the rockers where you get in and out, nothing. I mean, just very nice. You have to bear with us, the clouds keep coming and going. They did have the windows darker tinted than factory. Did a set of duals. Comes all the way out the back. It's just a super nice truck. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. Have Great day, folks.